We're inviting them on a pathway out of poverty, and we're seeing that happen.
Sitting on a bench right next to Adam Street.
Struggling with homelessness.
And they deserve to feel safe as well.
Right.
Every night we have more than 160 men and women who stay with us.
I just want to turn my life around and be different.
Our graduates and our students, after they complete 9 to 12 months, will have done around 400 hours of group work and class time, 40 hours of one-on-one counseling, 80 hours of addiction recovery support, and then 1,000 hours of work readiness.
For all of us, we're new creations. We don't grow to be old creations. We are new creations in Christ. He who began this good work in you is going to do what? He's going to complete it.